Hi, hey there, and today I'm going to be doing a video about my multi-tool. It's also a VR to a channel I subscribe to called Hvac Budget, and obviously he does multi-tools. Right, this is my Splitman multi-tool, and believe it or not, I actually got it from AliExpress, and it cost me £30, well just under, £25 for the tool itself, and a bit of postage on top. Now let's have a look. Now all I wanted was a decent sized knife, decent saw, a decent pair of pliers, and of course pair of scissors. And I'm quite happy with that. Now look at that, nice thick lock release, good chunky bit of metal, and if you have a look, absolutely no play on there whatsoever. I've actually only found 2 videos with this model Splitman, and I even asked my mate to have a look down his feed, and you can only find the same 2. One's in Russian, and the guy doesn't say a word, he just shows you the tool, and the other one's in Spanish. So I think I probably may have the only English one going at the moment, but there may be more out there that I haven't found. Decent chunky scissors, even with a thumb rest on it, and even some of the more like so-called higher quality multi-tools don't even have that. Let's go for the cut test. Paracord. Does the job nicely. And I'm using a toilet roll, loo roll, whatever you want to call it, so you've got a good idea on the thickness of the cardboard I'm going to cut. And as you see, it's got some half decent cutting power as well. Not actually tried double. Let's see if the double works. Oh yeah. As you can see, oh, it's cut the top bit but not the bottom bit. That's weird. Let's cut it there though. So it will go through a decent bit of cardboard. There are other tools on here. A screwdriver set. Three little screwdrivers there. Double bit with a ball clip as well. This is always a bit stiff. Hang on, this one's actually quite a stiff bit of kit. That also locks. Another double bit. Again, showing that quite chunky lock there. Half decent saw. Now I've not used this as much as I'd like to, because well, it's basically illegal for me to carry it in the streets of the UK because it locks and it's got an over 3-inch blade on it. But I take it camping, road trips, that sort of stuff. There's also seatbelt cutter, just in case if that doesn't lock. And of course your bottle opener and a spanner set. Again, I've not actually used that because I've not needed to. Hammer end, that's a big chunky piece of metal, and as you can see it goes all the way back there and through this joint. And of course the window breaker. Not sure how good that is either because I haven't gone around breaking car windows with it. Now here's something I found interesting, yeah, just for me personally. I've not seen it on the video. If you go to AliExpress, there's a video for this and some pictures. It's not on the video, not on the pictures, and it wasn't even on the pamphlet that came with it, which I don't have anymore, so I tend to throw that sort of stuff away. A little pair of tweezers. Well handy that. And that little hole there, that's actually for the very small screwdriver bit. Fits in there just like that. Excellent. That's basically the whole thing with the screwdrivers. I haven't taken out the screwdrivers, you've already seen them. That's pretty much what it looks like. And like I say, all I wanted was these, which are pretty good, no play. You can even tighten them up with an Allen key. That's more like a star key. Also, a really solid pouch, chunky press stud, and the material's even lined. So for £30, I think I got quite a decent bargain actually. Right, I do have two little negative points though. The belt loop could be a bit longer and a bit more well sewn down. Also, they could have included the tool to tighten these up, because on UK tool shelves these kits aren't readily available. And I can buy them on eBay and stuff, but I've got to buy one of the big sets to make sure I've got the right size. Solid belt loop, and all round quite solid, quite heavy. And I think these locks are cool, real chunky. And for some reason it fits in best that way, because I can just push it, get my finger behind it, and then pull it out. Well, that's pretty much it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, bye.